Okay, so I want to show you a couple Chrome extensions you should download. The first one is called the Keywords Everywhere tool. It's this guy right here, and it's going to allow you to see the search volume of keywords that you type in. So for example, this term has 140 searches a month. This term has 27,000 searches a month, and you'll see me use it very, very often. Now this cost per click, I'll mention this again, but never ever go off of this. This thing is not, it doesn't matter because it doesn't take into account the way we structure our ads. Now the Keywords Everywhere tool is a paid tool. I suggest you pay for it because it's extremely inexpensive. I think I paid $50 and I've been using it for a long time and I haven't used all my credits at all. But this is just what I use. Now the other Chrome extension I want to show you is SimilarWeb. So if I click right here, boom. So SimilarWeb is going to allow you to really see how much traffic a website is getting. Some websites, they won't show up, but a lot of them will. And so you can see a really good monthly kind of visitor volume on someone's site. And so you can see if they're scaling, if they're not doing so well. Like another example is Snow Teeth Whitening. You can see that they're scaling right here. But what I want to quickly say is that with this extension, you won't be able to see the current month of monthly searches. So it's January and it's only showing December. So just keep that in mind. Now, if I'm to give you a little in-depth of how I use this, it's not too complicated. I like to see where the traffic is coming from as far as country. I want to see that, oh, is this mainly US or kind of what's going on here? And if we scroll down, we could even see if there is some search or if there's a lot of social. Now, I never really say like, oh, if this website doesn't have search, then this is not going to work. No, I mean, I don't really care too much. If I see a lot of social, you'll see a lot of dropshippers have like 70% social here. And I mean, that's good. It's good to know that a lot of their stuff is working with cold traffic, but it's not like an indicator that I really go off of. If you want to know exactly what I go off of, I literally look at this. I'm like, do they have traffic? Ooh, okay, cool. Then this is going to help me kind of say, yes, this product or website is extra validated. Now let me cross check it with everything else that I cover in this course. Now to get this Chrome extension, just go to similarweb.com and you click right here, get started, and it is free. So I choose the free one. I don't choose anything else. I don't do the enterprise one. I just have the free one and it works really well. Now, like I mentioned, there's no reason to go super deep into anything extra with SimilarWeb unless you want to. As I'm going throughout the other modules, you'll see how I use these tools. But the last one I want to cover is this screen capture. Just type in full page screen capture and it's going to allow you to go on a website and literally click one button and it will like literally screenshot that entire page. And so if you're designing or whatnot, sometimes it helps. But those are the main Chrome extensions that you'll see me use throughout the course. And other than that, that's about it. So I'll see you in the next